Hello, welcome to BMW Wizard Unpacking Instructions. When you receive your kit, you'll be getting a bag that will look exactly like this. In the front pouch, with the two lower clips, will be the Panasonic C2 convertible laptop. On the bottom, you'll have a hand strap that makes it easy to hold. You can open it, and now you can use it as a laptop PC. Or as a convertible, you can rotate the head, and now you have a handheld tablet that you can use, whichever works best for you. The rest of the kit will be in a second pouch, and inside there's three pieces. There's the BMW ICOM Next interface device. You have your OBD2 cable connection to the car, and the Ethernet cable to connect from the interface to the PC. On the right side, you have three ports over here. The top one will be your Ethernet connection port, and then you can also connect it directly into the back of the PC on its Ethernet port. On the other side, you will have the connector that hooks to the OBD2 cable. You need to make sure that you get the pins aligned properly as you insert it into the ICOM Next head, and you're ready to go to connect to the vehicle. Now we want to start with the setup for the Wizard, and we're going to connect it to the internet first so that we have full capability. And we're going to go up to remote support, and we're going to go over to the left icon, which is Wi-Fi. And now we're going to go to the top right icon, which is scan, and we're going to scan for all available Wi-Fis in the area. And here we found one that we want to connect to on the very top line. We're going to highlight that line. We're going to go over to the second icon down and hit connect. Now it's going to ask for the password for that connection. And now we have a screen here that says connection established, so we're going to hit OK. Now we're going to show you how to use the remote support for the BMW Wizard tech support team. And you're going to go to the center icon where it's remote control. Connect on it. You're going to call on your phone to our tech support desk, and now it's going to give the technicians the capability of logging in directly. And here at the bottom of the screen, it has the name of your particular Wizard system will be here, and the tech support rep is going to ask you for the name on this PC. You're going to give them this name, and they are going to be able to remotely access into this computer. Now the next function we want to show you in remote support is how to use Teamviewer. It's going to be on the right hand side. You're going to click on Teamviewer, and with this function you can let someone else log into the Wizard, and they can either take control and help you doing the diagnostic procedures on the vehicle you're working on, or you can teach another person how to use the Wizard and how to do different functions on a vehicle that you're performing work on. So it's bi-directional this way. You can learn from it, or you can teach someone from this operation. And now that we've connected the OBD2 connector directly into the vehicle, we're now going to start diagnostic procedure with the Wizard. From the main screen, click the Start button on the lower left side of the screen, and then select Automatic Identification, and it will auto-ID the vehicle. There's also three other options of identifying the vehicle by either VIN number or chassis type, but the auto ID is usually the quickest and simplest way to do it. And this concludes our unpacking instructions and also the setup features of connecting the interface to the laptop and also to the vehicle and the main startup procedure. For additional information and more details about the Wizard, please visit our website at www.bmw-wizard.com.